Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest using the Vanguard app. First, you will need to download the Vanguard app from your phone's app store. Once installed, either create a new account or log in if you are an existing client. Be sure to link your bank account securely to facilitate seamless transfers for your investments. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth investing experience, allowing you to manage your finances conveniently from anywhere. After setting up your account, the next step is to choose your investments. Vanguard offers a diverse selection of low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETF, and mutual funds. It is important to consider your personal financial goals and how much risk you are comfortable taking. The app provides helpful tools to research fund performance, understand expense ratios, and make informed decisions about where to allocate your money. Now that you have selected your investments, it is time to place your first trade. Head over to the Invest or Trade section within the Vanguard app. You will then enter the ticker symbol or the full name of the fund you wish to purchase. Carefully specify the amount you want to invest. For example, you might start with $500. Review your order details thoroughly before confirming your transaction. Once your investments are made, it is essential to monitor and manage your portfolio. The Vanguard app allows you to track your performance and view your asset allocation at a glance. Consider setting up automatic investments, even small amounts like $50 bi-weekly, to build wealth consistently over time. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.